Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to you all. Welcome back to today's physical education class. In our previous class, I have already discussed about the fundamental skills and techniques of football game. And today I will discuss the rest part of the basic skills of football. Okay, so let's begin our class. And the next is dribbling. What is dribble? Dribble is an attempt by a player to beat an opponent while maintaining positions of the ball. Dribbling is how an individual moves with the ball when faced by opponents. For proper dribbling, a player should use light strokes of his feet to direct the ball in a described direction. For dribbling, he may use inside or outside of his feet to control the ball. This can be done with one foot or change from one foot to another. Okay, students, here I have attached some pictures which shows the dribbling skills of football games. Okay, and the next is juggling. Juggling is controlling the ball with your both feet. Juggling is also a very good way to practice ball control, getting familiar with the ball and gaining confidence. Okay, if repeated regularly, juggling develops the skills of dexterity, condition and balance in young footballer. These skills favor the more rapid acquisition of other techniques. Okay, and the next skill is receiving. Receiving a ball on the ground is different than receiving a ball in the air. When you receive a ball on the ground, you should keep your eyes on the ball. Then close which foot to receive the ball with one foot with the toe pointed up. Don't top the ball. Instead, prepare it for the next action shot, dribble or pass, etc. When you are going to receive the ball in the air, keep your eye on the ball. At the same time, read the flight, speed and direction of the ball. Then you should decide your part for controlling the ball, such as chest, head, thigh, etc. Then prepare yourself to receive the ball by presenting the body part to the ball. After receiving, consume the ball with the body part to show it down and prepare for the next touch. Okay, students, here I have attached some pictures which shows the receiving skills of football games. Okay, this picture is toe and foot receive pictures, and the second is first thigh receive, then control the ball with your both feet. In this picture, position 1 means picture 1 is eyes watching and facing the ball and arms out for balance, and the second is get the thigh in line with the ball and cushion the bounce and flex the knee and be on the balls of your feet. And the third picture is let the ball drop closer to the feet. Be ready to pass or run with the ball. Okay. Now students, if you want to know more about these football skills, you can get it from your book section B part, page number 17 to 25. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you students. Have a great day.